How to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PlayStation 5. I'm going to explain how to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5. Unfortunately, Rockstar does not allow direct transfers between PC and console platforms. That means your story mode, save data, and GTA Online character from PC cannot be moved to PS5. Cross-platform progress transfer simply isn't supported between PC and PlayStation. However, if you're switching from PS4 to PS5, Rockstar does offer a one-time migration. For story mode, you need to upload your save data to Rockstar Social Club Cloud using your PS4 version. Then download it on the PS5 version of the game. For GTA Online, just sign in to your Rockstar Games account on the PS5 and your online progress should carry over. But again, if you're on PC, there's no official method to move your game data to a PlayStation console. If you're starting on PS5 after playing on PC, you'll have to begin fresh.